Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauce for fruit. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll want a selection of fresh, ripe fruits, perhaps some juicy berries, a sweet mango, or a tangy kiwi. Next, choose your preferred sweetener, like a natural honey or rich maple syrup. Finally, have a liquid base ready, such as fresh orange juice or a little water, to achieve the perfect consistency for your delicious sauce. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to blend them into a delightful sauce. Carefully place all your chosen fruits, sweetener, and liquid into a blender. Process until the mixture is completely smooth and free of large chunks. For an extra burst of flavor, add a small squeeze of fresh lime or lemon juice. You can also introduce warm notes with a tiny pinch of cinnamon or ground ginger. Achieving the ideal consistency is key for a great fruit sauce. If your sauce is too thick, simply add a little more liquid, like water or juice, a tablespoon at a time, until it reaches your desired pourable texture. If it's too thin, you can blend in a few more pieces of fruit. Always taste your sauce and adjust the sweetness as needed. Once perfected, chill it for at least 30 minutes. Your homemade fruit sauce is now ready to elevate any dish. It's fantastic drizzled over a fresh fruit salad, adding an extra layer of flavor and moisture. Try it as a vibrant topping for pancakes, waffles, yogurt, or even a scoop of vanilla ice cream. The possibilities are endless for this versatile and delicious creation. Also, for a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.